Hello everyone, welcome to the week 10 class of Academic Listening Strategies 2. Today we will use Unit 4 Listening 2 for our class. So have your textbook ready and also have My Doc open so that you can do the listening from My Doc. So the textbook page we'll be using for today is starting from, let me show you up there, 83. So our listening is, are they telling the truth? You are going to listen to a guest speaker in a university class. The speaker and the professor discuss how to tell when someone is lying. As you listen to the discussion, please gather information and ideas about whether body language tells the truth. That's our listening. And talking about this PowerPoint, whenever you see this sign, please stop the video and go to My Doc and do the listening and take notes. Okay, whenever you see this sign, please stop the video. So let's see. First of all, do you tell a lie? Maybe you tell a lie sometimes. There are people who tell lies, but that's in general life. Maybe I tell a lie sometimes. I lie to my family when I don't want to talk to them. Or sometimes students lie to their teacher, like, oh, I was very sick, so I couldn't do the assignment on time, or I missed the class because I had to go to the doctor's office. There's so many people who tell lies. But people say that whenever you are telling a lie, your facial expression, your body language might be telling something else, okay? So body language tells the truth instead, even if the person who is talking is telling a lie. A lie is not real, okay, not truth. So before we begin, let's look at some vocabulary there. Okay? On page 83 and 84, you have some words from the listening. Here are some words and phrases from listening to. Read the sentences, circle the answer that best matches the meaning of underlined words or phrase. This activity, you will be submit your assignment through Google form over here. So you have the words there in codes and you have the options there. You'll have to choose them. But before I proceed in the lecture, let's quickly talk about the vocabulary, okay? First word, afraid. Afraid is feeling fear. For example, I'm afraid of the typhoon in Japan, okay? We are afraid of the coronavirus. Okay? Something you're afraid, you feel fear of something. However, that's very easy. On the other hand, in spite of, for example, I like all Japanese food. However, I don't like natto. That's an example. Investigate is to examine in detail, to try to learn facts and other information. For example, a police might investigate when there is a murder, might come to investigate. Lie, as I already told you, it's a false statement, which is not true. That's a lie. Observe is to watch or to see something very carefully. You observe when somebody is talking, maybe. Probably is something which is very likely, which is kind of possible. Probably it's going to rain tomorrow. If you can say that, if the weather is, you can guess it's rain. It's raining tomorrow. Okay? Talented is having special ability, gifted. For example, a talented person. Somebody can be talented in playing guitar, or somebody can be talented in playing soccer or something. Move is to change from one place or position to another. For example, I'm going to move from this place to another place. Move. Okay, to change the position. Okay, those are the vocabulary you will be listening in the listening task. So please work on this, study this, and submit your assignment through Google Forms for vocabulary. Next, what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about the main listening. You're going to listen to a conversation. about how police observe body language to investigate crimes. What body language can mean a person is telling a lie? What body language can mean a person telling a lie? Guess your choices. Uh, for example, when you're talking to somebody, you can maybe guess, is this person telling truth or is this person telling a lie? So what do you think? Can you guess of something? What body languages help you guess the person is telling a lie? For example, if somebody is breathing quickly, okay, speaking very fast with quick breaths, closing their eyes. So they close their eyes and think about something. I don't know, you think. Moving their head quickly, right, in different directions, smiling a lot, which would mean kind of fake smile, raising their hands in the air, okay, raise hand a lot, covering their mouth, they cover their mouth. I don't know. Check your guesses. Please stop the video there and check what do you think people do when they're telling a lie. Okay, you have maybe 1 minute. Okay, good job. I hope you have done that. Let's see. Your answers can be different answers, but kind of some possible answers. Or maybe when people are telling a lie, they tend to breathe quickly. They move their head quickly, like they're not kind of feeling comfortable with themselves, and cover their mouth. No, only covering their mouth is like, yes, kind of okay. They speak by covering their mouth. Can be other options too. For example, I would say maybe they smile a lot when they tell a lie because they want to show that they are really genuine and friendly. Okay. Closing their eyes could be another option, but these are just choices. Okay. Good job. Now, next part, what we're going to do is we're going to work with the listening. Go to My Doc and you'll have this page, course folder on My Doc. You will find the listening for this audio. It's not right there yet, but you'll find it in ALS2 with 10 materials. Go to the folder there and listen to the activity asked for in this lesson. Listen to the discussion and complete the student's word wave with 4 examples of body language the detective talks about. So this is a word wave. Okay, before we go to you, I ask you to do the listening. I want to explain what a word wave is. You know wave, right? Wave, a spider sends wave. So a spider is at the center and it has waves, sends waves in all the directions. So for example, your topic goes there, types of body language. Then example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, 4 different examples. Then other details of the examples would come in the next step. Okay, details of example 1 would go there, details of example 2 would go there, similarly details of example 3 and details of example 4 would go there. Let me show you a quick PowerPoint page for body language option. It's here. For example, you have main topic and example 1, example 2, example 3. That's the same as you have in the textbook. And details of example 1 would come just in the side of example 1, details of example 2, and example 3. That's how word wave works. And if you have more details, maybe you can have more steps going outwards. Okay, so please think about that. And now your time to listen. Listen to the discussion and complete this wave chart. Now please stop the video. I will show you the stop sign. Stop the video here and go to My Doc and do the listening. And when you listen, please fill in the, okay, complete the student's word wave. Okay, fill in the word wave, word chart. So please go to My Doc and listen to the audio. Stop the video here. I hope you have done that. You have finished that as well. Let me quickly, this one, I'm not asking you to submit your assignment. Let's quickly see, what did you have? Did you have these? For example, in example 1, moving their head quickly, like up, down, to the side, just before the answer a question. That's details of how do they move their heads. Example 2 is breathing faster and louder, like they feel stress, feeling stress, and they are afraid of, like, other people. They might know they're lying, so that makes them breathe faster and speak louder. Example 3, crossing arms, trying to hide information, like they cross arms. Example 4 is covering mouth, not telling everything. Okay, two main. One is you just don't speak. Another, don't say all details. So if you have these answers, let me show you again. Details of example 1, details of example 2, details of example 3, and example 4. If you got these right, you have a great skill in listening. Now, please listen again and complete the exercise on identify and categorize. This would be choosing answers. D would be, this is choosing your answers, which you will find in Google form right there, okay? Identify, please work on this. And the other one would be true or false. Actually, it says you have to rewrite, then correct any false statement. But for the assignment, just choose true or false. And you will find, if they're false, you will find what's true in the answer feedback in the assignment page, okay? Then for this week only, this one I'm not asking you to do. For this week, you have little more of the assignment, okay? You have a vocabulary practice. So match the following words with their synonyms. You know synonyms? Synonyms means words that have same meaning. You have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words there, and you have 8 words up there in the rows, okay? So please match them with the correct meanings. And after that, submit them. That will be your assignment for this week, which is including page 87, which is based on page 87. So please work on the assignment, and whenever you need to listen, stop the video, go to the listening to my dog, and do the listening at your ease, at your pace, and we finish here. That's all for today. Okay? If you have any questions, you can always send me your emails, which I will try to respond. But remember, I get a lot of emails, so it might take time, but eventually I'll try to get to you. That's all for today. Goodbye. See you in next week's video.